Palette comes with this cute pink brush.
Oh my god, I'm wet.
Oh, well, I was already gonna apply this and I haven't even put concealer. You see, this is how excited I am.
My hands are so crusty and musty, I can't. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am so excited because I got this bad bitch in the mail, which is the Lives of Drag palette, and oh, can you guys see that? How beautiful this palette is. I'm gonna do my first impression slash first review on this palette, which I am so excited. And can we talk about the packaging? I'm obsessed with like any kind of like cute packaging. Like this packaging is so cute to me, and how this is like this lifted in gold. And the back, we have this is how the back looks like. But other than that, the packaging is so cute. The unicorn has like a rose gold like reflect. It's so pretty. I'm just going right into the palette because I'm that excited. Like this is what this video is all about. It's about this palette right here. So we're getting straight to the point. So you open it and you get this palette. Look at that. It has like this rainbow shift to it, which oh my god, look at that. I'm so obsessed with it. And this is the back of the palette. Oh my god. And then opening the palette is, oh my god, look at those colors. I am so terrible. So we have these colors right here, which we have our neutrals, and then we have pops of color, which I'm obsessed with this palette. Even though like I never use colors like this, but it never hurts to like go out of my comfort zone, get out of the box, do something different, try new things. But look at this. I haven't even swatched it. I haven't even done anything just for this video. Look at the mirror. It's so cute. Look at the mirror. It says be a queen. The packaging in this palette is just amazing. It's so cute. I love the rainbow shift to it. It's just amazing. So let's go to the point. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few finger swatches, and just because they swatch good does not mean that they work as good on the eye. And like the first color that I want to swatch right away is this beet color, which I'm just gonna lightly just, oh baby, oh, the shimmers though, oh, he was not playing though. These two shimmers, let me see how they, oh yeah, he was not playing. Oh my god, amazing. Pretty sure by this point of watching so many YouTube videos, playing around with so much makeup, I already know like what blends good, what doesn't, I'm pretty sure I know what good makeup and bad makeup is by now. So the palette comes with this brush, and it's this cute little pink brush that looks like this. It comes with this cute brush. It feels soft and it feels good. They feel pretty soft. They feel like they'll do the job. Yeah, they feel like they'll do the job. Just to like pat the color, like blend. Yeah, you can basically use this to like pat or like smudge. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good smudgy brush. So the first color that I'm gonna go in with is this yellow, which is called Campy. And oh, you see that? I'm pressing it and there's no fallout at all. Like no fallout. There's like a little bit of kickback, but no fallout. Look at that. I'm gonna take this color right here, Campy, and I'm just gonna use that as my transition color. Okay, so now that our eyes are prepped, I'm gonna go in with that Campy yellow shade. And we're just gonna start it off as a transition color. And we're just gonna start off at the end and just build the color up. Yeah, this yellow is definitely more brighter than my other yellow. It's not like brighter, like I'm not talking about like it's more pigmented. It's basically just more, like it's more yellow. The other yellow that I have, which is right here in the Huda Beauty palette, this yellow is more like a orangey yellow. Like, let me see if I can like explain the swatches. So this is the Huda Beauty yellow. You guys see that? This is the mayonnaise yellow. You see how much brighter it is? And I'm going in with the Morphe R33. That's the brush I'm using. This is the closest you guys are gonna get. This is the closest. Oh my god, you guys can see literally everything. But look at how they're blending. It is blending so nicely. This yellow blended out so good, which I am living for. So far, so good. So now I'm gonna go in with the Lunar Beauty brush, and I'm gonna take this side of the brush. So now I'm gonna go in with this burgundy color, which is Snatched. So we're gonna go in with this color, and look at that, like no fallout whatsoever. So far I'm loving the brush. Like I'm having so much control. Like I'm having control with this color. Oh my god, yes, bitch. It's giving me like sunset vibes right now. So my immediate first impression with the brush is that I love this brush. So this is definitely going to be a brush that I'm going to be using a lot. But now I'm going to go in with the R33 brush, which I used for the yellow shade. And I'm just going to blend them in together. Because I'm not trying to lose the yellow. So I'm just going to blend upwards. It's so crazy because like the first person that I ever followed like on YouTube, like no bullshit, was Manny MUA. Manny was like the first YouTuber that I ever followed. That's like the first makeup artist that I ever saw out there like wearing makeup, and that was like, you know, I want to be like that. I want to do that stuff. Like I want to be that guy that wears makeup. The first video that made me follow him was the review on the Anastasia cream contour kit, which I also have because of him. And it's crazy how throughout time like he began to grow and get bigger and bigger, and now he's over here with his own cosmetic line, which bitch, you did that. A long time ago, like when I was watching YouTube in the beginning, I had posted on Twitter like, oh, like this is what I do all the time, and he ended up liking one of my tweets because I had tagged them, and I was on the floor. I was everywhere. I was like, Manny MUA just liked my fucking tweet. Yeah, I was just going crazy, and I was at school like, oh my god, Manny MUA liked my tweet, Manny MUA liked my tweet. But so far, these colors are blending out so good. I'm gonna take this color right here, Trade, and I'm gonna use that color to darken in my outer corner. Take a Smashbox Chocolate Definer brush, and I'm gonna use that to just pack it. And this color is like a mauvey brown, kind of. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like brown, but not brown. So now that I have packed that color, I'm gonna go with the Morphe 514 brush, and I'm just gonna take a clean one and just blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in back with that Morphe R33 brush, the first color that I use, and I'm just gonna blend them all together. So now I'm gonna go into the color Snatch, and I'm just gonna intensify the crease a little bit more, just in the crease. I was gonna cut my crease, but I am such in a hurry that I'm just gonna take my finger and take the color Beat with my finger, and I'm just gonna pack that on the lid. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. The glitters are freaking amazing and pigmented. And this is just dry, like I didn't even wet my brush. And I'm those people that doesn't matter what shimmer, what glitter, what nothing, I always wet my brush. And sometimes I even wet my finger. And this time I didn't even just with my finger, I applied it, and I'm shocked. This is fucking good. Now that my eyes are done, I'm just gonna go through my face, and I'll be right back, and I'll give you guys my full impression, what I think about everything. So this is the final look, and my first impressions, my immediate first impressions, wow. They blended out amazing. I honestly thought I was gonna lose the yellow when I was blending in Snatch, and bitch, the yellow is still right there. The yellow is there, everything that I wanted, everything that I imagined in my head, I got it in my eyes. Like the colors that I was using, like I was like, okay, I wanna use this color, I wanna do this. And it came out to what I expected, and I am proud of Manny MUA. Like, Manny MUA, you did this. Life's a drag, like, life's a motherfucking drag. Like, this shit is A1, and this palette is definitely gonna be like one of my go-to favorites. He was one of those influencers that honestly pushed me like to where I'm at now, like with makeup. Like that's how I learned makeup, just YouTube. People always ask me, oh, how do you learn makeup? YouTube. How do you learn how to do this? YouTube. How do you learn how to do that? YouTube. Like, I just learned everything on YouTube throughout. I watched YouTube for almost 4 to 5 years, just makeup tutorials, and yeah, I'm still not good. I'm still practicing. But I am so impressed with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna keep on putting it above my head because right here you guys cannot see it. But so first of all, the packaging is A1. The formula is amazing, and I would highly recommend this. We have our neutrals, our go-to colors, and then we have like the pop of color. Like, bitch, don't be afraid to use these colors. I think this area is like my favorite. Like, this is what cause I'm always sticking to these neutral colors, but this area right here is like calling my name, like, bitch, yes, add this, like fishy. Oh, baby. So now to end this video, is this an obsessed or mess? And this is definitely 100% obsessed. I am 100% obsessed with this, and this is definitely going to be one of my favorite palettes. So you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.